Come test drive the 2018 G90. The Genesis G90 is the ultimate luxury sedan with high levels of technology, comfort, quality, and functionality. This vehicle will make you feel like royalty and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, chrome wheels, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Genesis certified pre-owned vehicles are meticulously inspected by qualified Genesis technicians and come with a comprehensive Genesis CPO limited warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a vehicle history report. Talk to your local Genesis dealer today to find out more.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.